Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is June 12th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. The market is bouncing back today. Bitcoin is at $63,636, and Ethereum sits at $1,676. We have three stories that matter for traders across the region. Today's rebound came from Washington. President Trump signaled a possible deal with Iran and canceled planned military strikes. U.S. stocks added roughly $1.2 trillion in market value within 20 minutes. The S&P 500 rose 1.75%, the Nasdaq jumped 2.54%, and crypto caught the same bid. The more interesting data is on-chain. Exchange flow trackers show whales withdrew 11,422 Bitcoin, about $700 million, into cold storage. For Southeast Asia retail, large holders absorbed the panic, but a single headline reversal on Iran could flip sentiment back. Trade the headlines, but do not chase this bounce with full size. Japan delivered the biggest Asian stablecoin news of the year. MUFG, SMBC, and Mizuho, Japan's three largest banks, signed a memorandum of understanding to jointly issue a yen-pegged stablecoin on the Progmat ledger platform. Full corporate launch is targeted for March 2027, with a US dollar version planned to follow. This is the first time three megabanks from a G7 country have aligned behind one fiat stablecoin. For Southeast Asia, the impact is concrete. OFW corridors from Japan back to the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia carry billions of dollars per year, and a bank-issued yen stablecoin can compress remittance fees and settlement time once compliance bridges are live. The risk is that bank-issued stablecoins will pressure USDT and USDC on regional exchanges over the next 18 months. A major enforcement action landed yesterday with direct lessons for Southeast Asian platforms. Law enforcement from 11 countries dismantled AudiA6, a crypto money laundering service. AudiA6 allegedly processed 10,333 Bitcoin worth roughly $389 million since 2021. Two suspected administrators were arrested in Georgia. Authorities say the network washed funds through more than 6,000 KYC-verified mule accounts. That is the same pattern Thailand and Vietnam regulators have been targeting this month. Expect tighter onboarding reviews and more frozen withdrawals. For everyday SEA users, the safe move is to keep withdrawals to personal wallets, avoid third-party deposits, and stay alert to any P2P offers. Quick recap of today's three stories. Trump-Iran deal optimism pushes BTC rebound. Japan's megabanks launch joint yen stablecoin. US plus Europol dismantle AudiA6 laundering network. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Chart analysis and trading insights. Join our free Telegram channel, link in the description. See you in the next one.